Hey, do like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So here I'll show you how to calculate the overlapping length of steel bars in slab, beam and column. So let's start. So first, what is overlapping length or lap length? So overlapping length or lap length is provided for overlapping two rebars or reinforcement steel bars in order to safely transfer the load from one bar to another. Overlapping or lapping means overlapping of two bars side by side to achieve required design length. The amount of overlapping among two bars is called lap length. So, this is the lap length. Here to here, this distance is lap length. We know that rebars or reinforcement steel bars come in a certain length. Suppose we need to build a 100 feet height column, but practically 100 feet long bar is not available, so caging cannot be done in this situation. So we need to cut the bars frequently to transmit the tension forces from one bar to another bar at the position of suspension of bar. So we have to arrange the second bar adjacent to the first bar that is suspended and overlapping is to be done. So hope you understand what is overlapping length. So let's start how to calculate overlapping length. So first we'll calculate for slab overlapping. So for slab we use 50D. So 50D. So here D is diameter of steel bar. So 50D means 50 times the bar diameter. So the reinforcement steel bars which we are using in slab will take the dia of that one bar. Okay. Suppose I will use dia for slab 10 mm here. So D is 10 mm. So slab overlapping will be 50D. So 50 into 10 we are getting 500 mm. Here remember that in slab we generally use 8 mm, 10 mm and 12 mm dia bar because diameter of bar varies according to load condition, but in slab load is less as compared to beam, column and footing. Okay. So next we are going to calculate beam overlapping. So for beam we are taking 40D. Here you should remember one thing, that we should not provide lapping in tensile zone. Lapping is usually done where minimum bending stress is encountered. Tensile zone means bottom bar of beam. So I'll give another video regarding this. So we can give lapping on compression zone. So here I am using 16 mm diameter bar for beam. So overlapping length is 40D here. So dia is 16 mm. So 40 into diameter 16. So we are getting 640 mm. So next we are going to calculate overlapping for column overlapping. So for column we are using 24D. So here I am using diameter 12 mm. So 24 into diameter 12. So we are getting 288 mm. So for slab overlapping we are using 50D. For beam overlapping we are using 40D, and for column overlapping we are using 24D. So like this you can calculate overlapping length. So if you like this video, then do like and subscribe the channel for new updates. Thank you for watching.